Thank you, Prajit sir. Hi, myself, Professor Nishit Sagotia, and I am the Training and Placement Officer for Management and Commerce Department in the Noble Group of Institution. Uh, I would like to thank Sailesh sir, and I personally know how important this session is. Being in Saurashtra and being to deal with the crowd, not only students but the employers as well. It becomes really difficult to actually take through the whole process of training and placement, and these this session or the whole program was so effective. I mean, I personally take business and managerial communication, and I do sessions around how effective communication is done. I mean, communication is interactive communication, and this I'm really pleased that our students were so interactive, and I can see some of them, they look pretty. I mean, proper professional. I mean, this is what is being expected from you. And thank you, sir, for enlightening them the importance of all these things. I always myself, because I was in UK for more than 13 years, so I know how. I mean, what is the importance of communication, and uh, a minor glitch can cause miscommunication. And when you go to a professional environment, this is so important. Another thing which I was really impressed was the SWOT analysis. Yes, I mean, we should know what are our strengths and weakness. I personally, actually, I go a bit out of the box, and I just tell them that your weakness, you should know. I mean, you are the only person who should know your weakness, not let anyone know your weakness.
That
Because
that is
because
important.
yes, because that is, I mean, yeah, even in one interview, one of my students said, when he was asked that what is your weakness, and he said that as far as I know, I don't have any weakness, but maybe in future or whatever, according to the situation. So I was very impressed with that SWOT analysis. Obviously, you should know your strength, and what sorts of opportunities are there which you can grab, and group discussions. Yes, people are very much introvert. They just, after the discussion is finished, they might think that, oh, I should have spoken this, I should have said this, but then the time is gone. So again, group discussion and presentation skills, the students know that they are supposed to give so many presentations, the PowerPoint presentations, etc. And yes, that was also important. Resume building, basically, it is a problem that uh, people think that CV and resume is same, and they basically don't know the difference also. So this was also very much good. And interview skills, obviously, I would already, Prajit sir has actually talked about this, so I would not talk about this anymore. Also, sir, I have received, we all have received numerous positive feedback, and which is really really good. And thanks to you for conducting such a wonderful session.
Thank you.
And we are hopeful that in future also we would have many such collaboration with you, and I look forward for working with you in future also. Thank you very much, sir, and thank you all.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Good
Morning.
morning, sir.
Morning.
I'm very pleased, and it's the day of you know cherishing this moment because the program, which was highly demanded and highly solicited for the students' betterment, and in fact, this program was for the students, of the students, and by the students,
Wow.
for the students of Noble, and by, and in fact it was completely managed, executed, and planned and organized by the students of Silas sir. So it's very much I am very much happy to know that the entire event, you prepare the managers, you don't just teach them, you have
Very nice.
made this your task force, the soldiers that you have prepared, Deepak sir and all these. So it is very much difficult any teacher to you can teach the people, but one without any expectation, you teach them so well, you guide them, you mentor them so well that they are ready for you to support you in all these webinars and activities. Even they would have their own businesses and jobs and the tasks to do, but as a volunteer they are always ready to they are always beside you in all your activities. So it is a kind of you have done some mesmerizing experiments on the students positively. So positively, so that they are so connected and attached with you that even after completing their courses from you, and they are so attached with you. So this is a matter of proud and pleasure for all of us. The students of MBA, IMBA, MCOM, and BCom has also gained lots of knowledge out of this workshop. In fact, we had around more than 100 students on day one. But at last, we are ending up with the 50 shining titans. So, because this is not everyone's cup of tea, we are always there to serve. But it is up to the students, those who want to receive or those. So these are the students, those who really value the entire program. And for the students of BCom and MCom, especially, is a part of the student development activity. And for the students of IMBA and MBA, it's particularly the time where they brush up and groom their, knowledge and personality so that they become employable. So it is well said that it is not colleges are not the teachers are not magicians that we touch you and you will be absorbed in the industries, but we can make you employable. We can bring the companies and we can bridge the gap between the campus and corporate. Rest is in the hands of students. So you have trained our students so well that we are very much sure that they will be able to defeat and they will be able to crack all the challenges that comes on their path to success, on the path of career development. So again, for the next batches of MBA, IMBA, and commerce courses, and even engineering, pharmacy, we are also going to be a university next year. So the students of Nobel University,
Very good.
the next coming future generations will also be benefited with your expertise and experience in the field of the employability and this particular PEP program. So we are making this PEP program for everyone now. So we'll also suggest the team or a core committee to put PEP as a compulsory credit program. Compulsory credit in all the BBA, MBA, and all the professional courses, because this is very much vital and required, which is not there in syllabus, in fact, but it matters a lot. Even if you get some less marks in your university exams, it's okay. But if you have these kind of skills and attitude, you can win the game. So we have long miles to go along with sir and your team. We have very good future association we are looking forward to have with you. And for last 15 days, sir have rigorously been thinking about the students' development, taking new skills and taking new concept. And in future also, sir is committed to bring at least 10 companies on and off the campus. Sir is going to send all these 50 students to 10 companies, and sir is also taking 5 companies to the campus for the placement. So the students that have been mentored by sir, sir is going to hold your hand till the end. The moment you get placed, sir is not going to leave you alone. So sir, personally and on behalf of the entire Noble Group, we are from the bottom of our heart very much thankful to you for sparing your very precious time out of very busy schedules. And we are also thankful to your entire team, the students, mentors, those who have coordinated the entire program, and the team of Noble Group of Institutions, including Nilesh sir, Nishit sir, and all the faculty members as we have also inspired the students and managed this entire program. We are also commencing the next program of enhancing computer skills for office automation. That includes Google G Suite, office automation, these softwares like AutoCAD, all the extensions of Google. So all these programs we are going to teach from Monday, and then after completion of that computer skills, we are going to start a special smart English program where listening, reading, writing, and speaking English training will be imparted by the experts of English language. So in this way, we are also jointly and collectively trying and putting our best efforts to make the students' career the best one. So thank you, sir, for helping us and contributing to the scaffolding the nation building process, and supporting the students' career development process also. Thank you very much, Shailesh sir, your entire team. Thank you from our group of institutions. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Prajit. Happy morning to one and all present here. Respected Shailesh sir, Jay sir, Nishi sir, and Nilesh sir, admin team, and the coordinators who take this opportunity for the student of a Nobel Institute and GEC Dahod. I must say this is a very important program, as rightly said by the Jay sir. If you have a lower grade will not be taken care of it. But if you do not have a skill, if you are not empowered yourself, this will not be, you will not be able to survive anywhere. So I must congratulate all the participants of this placement empowerment program. You have participated, not only the participate, you have actively involved for this more than 15 days. I must say you will be the future managers, and you will be having a right skill which is imbibed by the company. One thing I want to share with all you, sir has taught you many things. Sir is not just a corporate trainer, he can be your life journey trainer, because we have witnessed a more than 1,000 students across the Gujarat, especially from our institute only. Sir has guided many students for their career also, not career, in their life also. You have seen all the students from the GEC Dahod, those are a admin team. This is only the support and blessing from the Shailesh sir only. We believe a single task is not a single one, but we do everything or ordinary thing by extraordinary way. Now you can see Prajit, Nishta, Kairav, and Par. Shailesh sir is not paying a single penny from their side, but this is the what you can see. These are the outstanding contribution by the Shailesh sir. Now, the last sentence I want to tell you, Shailesh sir had taught you many things. You take everything as a seriously, but I came across a single common mistake from all the students. What I observed throughout my life, we are not taking anything which is very seriously. We are not having enough confidence on our belief or on ourselves. We take everything as a lightly. For an example, sir has rightly said, if you are not wake up from morning 5, so we take this thing very lightly, but that will be having tremendous effect on life. So I want to share one thing. Please have a faith, continuous effort, continuous evolution of yourself, and the blessing from the mentor. This will be the key success for all your life. So I request all the students, keep in touch with the Shailesh sir and his team, continues with your journey, and have a faith. ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है सर. ये दुनिया की जितनी भी सक्सेस है, जितनी भी टॉप मोस्ट पर्सन, उनका जो सक्सेस है ऑलरेडी रिवील्ड, इट इज ऑलरेडी रिटन. Only thing left from your side is to implement in your life. So small thing is not a small one. We have to continuously implement in our life. It should be part of your daily life. For an example, Shailesh sir ने बोला जैसे कि 100 एप्लीकेशन करना है. So if you do a minimum 100 तो बहुत दूर की बात है. If you do a 20 application, I'm sure you will be having a good job, and that will be in a good company only. But only thing is required from your side, you continuously have to update your resume, continuously you have to go for the LSRW process, continuously you have to improve your reading, as well as you have to imbibe all this skill which is required for the trainer. ओके अगर आप ये सब स्किल आपको पहले ही बता दिया है, अगर आप ये नहीं कर रहे हो, एंड यू विल एक्सपेक्ट आई वांट ए 20,000 सैलरी, 25,000 सैलरी, 30,000 सैलरी, नो वन विल गिव इन मार्केट. industry will give you more than 30,000, or what industry can give you, the sky is the limit. But the only thing is required, you must have the right attitude, right skilling, and the positive attitude, what the assignment or task given by the company. So if you do only this thing sincerely and honestly, I'm sure you will be a good manager. Third thing that I want to say, be honest in your life. First, you be honest yourself. जितना भी सर ने बताया, अगर if you are doing on a daily basis, if you are using the daily power or daily power of a habit, I'm sure you'll be having a good career. So thank you all students for participate in this placement and empowerment program. मैं दूसरे जो कोऑर्डिनेटर्स नोबल इंस्टीट्यूट से बनाए हैं सर ने, उसको मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज द राइट स्किल इज रिक्वायर्ड. देखो यहाँ पे टोटल 53 स्टूडेंट यानी जितने भी स्टूडेंट है, बट all has not taken initiative. Only the 5 student or 7 student have taken the initiative and to become a coordinator or leader. That skill you must require, क्योंकि आपको कोई पूछने नहीं आएगा, but you have to initiate yourself. The world required leaders. The world is waiting for the leaders, not for the from the participant. तो जो भी leaders यहाँ पे, उनको और leader create करना है. And I'm sure I have gone through all the response from the participant. It is marvelous. Because it is a marvelous, because I am saying, because I witnessed more than 12 PEP online session. So this is a wonderful batch, and I must congratulate Jay sir. You are being a very good student, and in future you will be having a good managers also. So thank you all of you. Best wishes for your career. Thank you so much.